guys, welcome back. So I want to sit down and do my makeup, well, except for my eyes. And I have a few new products here that I want to try out, and stay tuned to the end of this video because I have a giveaway. All right, so I've already primed, of course, with my sunscreen and all that good stuff. So I always heard about the Shisheido Synchro foundation. So I couldn't decide which one I wanted, and I got both. I told you guys I was very bad, very naughty during the Sephora sale, so I got both. I think today I'm gonna use the dewy one, and I got it in the shade. What shade is this? I think I got it in so I have 510W Suede in both of them, and I've heard such good things about it, and I really wanted to wait and use it on camera. So here we go. And I love how it's like the twist and you can get the foundation out. All right, I hope it's a good match for me. I did look at reviews on this and everybody raved about it. So this is the shade. If you're here for the first time, oh, it feels nice. I'm NC50 in matte as a general reference. And my face is a little closer to my neck now since I got rid of my hyperpigmentation. And for the people who were asking about the hyperpigmentation video, like how I got rid of it, the way my camera is set up, I don't have a vlogging camera. Like I have my setup that just sits here on, you know, on a stand and all that stuff. So I will probably have to do the video just showing you the products and talking about it. And I don't really have before and after pictures, so I feel like, you know, doing that might be like, oh, I don't have any before and after pictures. You know what I mean? Oh, this is pretty. Looks a little lightish on me. What do you guys think? I know you guys own this foundation. I do like the yellow undertone though. It's not bad. I just put like a half pump more because, all right. Feels super nice on the skin. Okay. And I didn't do my eyes on camera because I just got my lashes done this morning, and you're not supposed to get them wet within, oh wow, this is pretty. You're not supposed to get them wet within the first 24 hours, and I know if I do too much on camera, it's easier for me to drop stuff on them. So I said, you know what, let me just, this is my neutral eye, I can't get anything in it, I'll just focus on my face. That's why I have my eye done already. All right, so for concealer, I want to try these Nude Stix concealers. Look at the cute packaging it came in. They came separate. I got two, see? And this has a mirror. Saw this on TikTok. And everybody's been raving about it. And I looked at the reviews on Sephora and it got great reviews. So I got Nude 8 and Nude 9. They run light though because I wasn't sure. So I figured I could have like mixed it. Because looking at them, let me give a quick swatch. This is shade 9. And this is shade 8. I think they run a little light. See? They run a little light. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use shade 9. Love the packaging. I don't think I've owned anything from Nude Stix. I'm going to use shade 9. But before I use shade 9, I think this would be perfect to use my Fenty Bright Fix as like a base, because that looks a little light. So I'm going to put, this is Toffee. And I did a review of this on my channel. Oh, it looks super like red today. I don't remember it looking that red. Well, it will probably be the perfect base. And I do like these. I have it in Toffee and almond butter. And I think this might be a perfect base for that concealer. Now, from what I've read on the Sephora website about that, this Nude Stix concealer, you don't have to powder it, but you know me. I can't like not powder my under eye. I think I will just be walking around thinking my whole under eye is creased and looking insane. I'm looking at my lashes and I already got stuff on it. See, that's why I don't like to do too much when I just get them done. All right. And oh my God, I love this. I'm late to this, but I love this foundation. So far, it looks really good. All right, so let's put a little bit of the concealer over top. So like I said, I'm going in with shade 9. Heard great things about it. Hope I like it. So this new thing I've been seeing also on TikTok and a lot even on YouTube now. People have just been putting concealer here. I mean, I'm doing this because I have the base and then they've been putting it right here. So I'm going to try that today. And I'm going to put it also on the center of my face. And I like this Fenty Bright Fix. I think it's a nice product. And yesterday I used almond butter as concealer. And I liked it. I didn't use it as like a brightener or anything. I used it as concealer. Oh, I think this looks this feels really, really good. This is supposed to have, they said like a medium coverage. I'm trying to get the Bright Fix off of the brush, like some of it. They said this is supposed to have like a medium finish. Oh, it's blending. Oh, I can see, wow, it just looks, right away it looks as though it's been powdered. Doesn't it? I now see why they're saying, oh, maybe you don't need a powder. Okay, all right. This looks really nice. I mean, all the reviews on this concealer was like so good. And there's this guy that I see on TikTok a lot that uses it. Everybody always comments about his under eye, and he spoke about it. And he was like, yeah, this is what he uses. Okay. So I'm gonna just go in with the beauty blender and try to like, you know, make sure everything is blended, no harsh lines. Ah, this is a nice combination, this and the Bright Fix. Super nice. And if your circles aren't that dark, I think you can get away with Toffee. Oh, that's pretty. All right. So today, to quickly do my cream contour, I'm gonna use my Hudabeauty because it's a little darker. Because I was looking at this foundation, I was like, is it gonna be too light? So I didn't want to take a chance. I mean, my Danessa Myricks is dark, but I figured this is definitely darker. And like I've said to you guys before, I've been going higher up on my contour lately and I have been loving it. Okay, super pretty. Oh, all right. I mean, I held out so long to use this foundation and I love it. I hope I love the matte. I mean, like, I feel like I already love this foundation. If you guys own it, tell me if you like it. I hope I love the matte one just as well. I mean, this was just like a pick me today. I really didn't know which one to use. I was like, you know what? When I sit down to film, I'm gonna decide like which one I'm gonna use. I think my skin looks really, really pretty, and I really do love this concealer. It's beautiful, but I'm gonna set it. And so another thing I wanted to try out, I got this Jaclyn Hill under eye setting powder. She came up with like a whole complexion kit with like under eye cream, and I think she had like a quad that had 4 that had powder. I just went with the brightening under eye powder. I got the shade Apricot, and I was a little nervous when I ordered it online. The packaging is cute, but look, this is gonna be filthy because it's white and it has the J on it. Very cute. This is very deep as well, because sometimes I like to pour my powder over, but it makes no sense pouring it over. Comes with a little sifter. I was very happy to see it wasn't as deep as it looked online. It really is a true apricot color. It just looked very deep online in my opinion. So with this, I'm a little nervous about this though. I'm thinking, should I just use a brush instead of putting my sponge? I've never really put like an apricot powder under my eye, so I think I'm gonna go in with a brush. I'm gonna use the Sephora brush. It's like a foundation sort of powder brush. I'm gonna use it as a powder brush today. I'm just gonna start off by putting a little bit because I'm so used to my Fenty powder or my Lancome powder now. So let's see. I'm barely gonna put it. Oh, it's bright. Okay, so this definitely sets and it brightens. It instantly brightened my under eye. And like I said, I think this concealer, you really don't have to set it. But I'm setting mine, of course. All right, let's put a little bit more. I'm cautious because it's apricot, and like I said, I've never really done a color like this, but it looks nice. I think it looks nice, and it went on very nicely with the brush. So maybe in the future I can maybe in the future I'm going to use it with the brush. That's pretty. Okay, Jaclyn. I think it brightened my under eye too. That's apricot shade. Oh, this is nice. Isn't this pretty, guys? I think it's super pretty. I really like this Synchro foundation. Like, they weren't lying. This, oh my god, this is really pretty. All right, I'm gonna set my face, and it's nothing new. My Fenty powder in Hazelnut. Wow, I almost don't want to set my face. This is a pretty foundation. And I know people were raving about the matte one because that one came up first. So my goodness, I can't imagine what the matte one looks like. And I'm definitely feeling, I put some of this Bobbi Brown glow stick in Island on my nose. That's why my nose all of a sudden looks shiny. The Jaclyn Hill powder is nice. I think it can probably look too much if you use a sponge though. I don't want to use a sponge on camera because I don't want to ruin it, but when I'm doing my makeup off camera, I'm going to use a sponge and see how it looks with the sponge. But I had my eyebrows. I've been threading my eyebrows lately because I just gave up with trying to fix it. And I've been liking it, and she had me grow it out a little. And she tried to create an arch. I think she did a great job. All right. Oh my goodness. I'm feeling the concealer. Guys, this Nude Stix concealer is good. It's worth you guys grabbing it. It's that good. Wow. You're seeing for yourself. It's really good. All right. So the powder contour, I picked up these two contours from Juvias Place. They're very reasonably priced because I know I use a lot of high-end stuff on my channel. So I got the shade bronzer. What shade is this? I got, jeez, what are the shades on these things? Oh, I have dark and I have deep dark. Now, I've swatched these and I don't like the shades. I don't like both shades. I only like one shade in each palette. This is a blush. This, where am I putting this? This is a blush tone. This I can bronze with maybe a little. And then in the dark deep palette, the packaging is very pretty though. I love the chocolatey kind of packaging. This has too much of a purple undertone to me. Like, they went a little too far with the purple, but when I felt the texture, the formula is good. So I'm gonna put a little bit of it just in my contour area to see how it will look, but I'm nervous about it. So I'm gonna put it like right here and only here. I want to see that purple like really show. Oh, didn't really show up. I think you have to have a light. Okay, it's not bad. I thought it would have looked like purple, like you know, the MAC blush everybody used to use to contour, and I was like, no, I'm not going to be using that. All right, this is not bad as a contour shade, but as you guys saw, I went very light. And now I'm gonna use this shade here to bronze and see how that looks. But guys, Jesus Lord, I'm in love with this foundation and the concealer and this Jaclyn Hill powder. I'm telling you about this girl, Jaclyn Hill. Like I always say, she knows makeup because that powder is good. Look at my under eyes. I think it looks bright and pretty. Okay, the texture of these powders aren't bad. They're nice. Yeah, but that purplish color, that's definitely just the contour, and I think that's what it was meant for. Okay, put a little bit more. I want my forehead to look a little dark today. All right, not bad, right? Okay, so for blush, I'm going in with my LYS blush in Inspire. I don't think I've gotten a chance to use it on camera, so I will do that today. Any excuse to use it. So good. And I like to use it with my Smashbox brush. I don't know if this is a blush brush. I got this from the CCO, but that's how I use it. Oh, it's so good. Ooh, she did an amazing job with these blushes and amazing job at restocking. Very nice. So, setting spray, I don't even have to mention what it is because you guys know. All right, going in with highlighter while my face is still damp. My Guerlain, not Givenchy highlighter. Terracotta Sun in the City highlighter. Been obsessed with this. This is all I've been using. So you guys are definitely going to see me using this a lot. I love it. And I love how it looks against the orange terracotta of the blush. Still going to put a little extra in my nose, although I have highlighter on my nose, because why the hell not? And I'm going to finish up with the lips. Very simple lips as usual. My Shisheido Tilbury lip liner, Pillow Talk, Intensity 3. Alright, so I'm going in with the lip liner. And I'm just going around my lips. I have a backup of this because it's like, look at it. It's like a stub. And for lips, you know me. I'm just keeping it simple, using my everyday liquid lipstick that I've been using so much to create my, you know, kind of nude. This foundation, oh my god. I'm so glad I got it. I hope the matte one is like this, especially with the summer coming. This is pretty, guys. Wow, I now see what the hype is. Damn, I'm impressed. So I'm going in with Smashbox Always On in Slaytan. And this lipstick formula is so dry, look. It's like I have to go to town. Oh my god. It's so dry. Like if you ever get this lipstick, you'll probably think it went bad. This is actually the formula, but the undertone with the olive is so beautiful and so pretty, guys. So this is the finished look. I think, oh my god, I love like trying stuff out and like loving it. Love the foundation, love. I'm telling you guys, pick up this Nude Stix concealer, and the packaging is so cute with the little mirror. Comes in this little, I'm going to use the other one to stack like my eyebrow brushes, but it's good. And I'm pretty sure most of you own this foundation. It's pretty. Wow. Look at my skin with this foundation. Girl, very nice. And the Jaclyn Hill powder, this apricot, don't be afraid of when you see it online. It's not as orange as it looks online. This is pretty. Look at my under eye. I think it looks spectacular. Okay, guys. So, like I said, I have a giveaway, and I am giving away the new Natasha Denona Zendo palette. I touched it. I opened it to make sure there were no shadows broken. So my fingerprints are on it. I'm going to clean it off completely before I mail it to you, to whoever wins. So don't worry, you know. So I'm giving this away. And as usual, every time I've done a giveaway in this channel, there's not much to do. Just be subscribed to my channel. That's all you have to do. Let me know how you'd like to be contacted. I prefer to contact you on Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram, you can put your Facebook or whatever. As usual, when I do these giveaways, I just randomly, my son puts it in this little thing that he has on his phone. The name spins around and a winner is picked. Of course, I didn't purchase this palette for myself to do a review or anything because I find I have so many palettes that I don't use, and I'm thinking of actually doing a declutter video because I have so many palettes. So I did not want to add another palette, but I opened it, I looked at it, it's beautiful. And anyway, so I'm going to announce the winner 48 hours after this video uploads. I think I'm going to upload this video on Monday the 19th. So if you want this palette, please leave a comment and just leave your Instagram, and I'll contact the winner 48 hours after. And there's a lot of reviews out already. I'm pretty sure Kinky Sweat and Kelsey Brianna J and all those girls are going to do reviews. So you'll be able to see a review on this palette. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video, for always supporting me, and to all my new subscribers, thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.